Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. It feels like absolutely ages since I've done one of these, but we got Jules's bike finished and we have just been doing miles and miles and miles trying to get Emily as much exposure on the road as possible before the weather turns. And I thought it's probably about due. We know we've got a little bit of an oil leak, that we give the bike a bit of an overcheck, because we haven't actually MOT'd this bike yet. It came with MOT on it. So what we're going to do, oil level check, make sure the chain tension's good, go all over the wheels and just, yeah, give it generally a once over. And what you will see, and probably have seen in the background of some of these videos, I know a couple of people have commented, we've got Luke's GN400 there that we've been working on for the past couple of weeks, and it's starting to turn back into a motorcycle. We've done all the wiring on it, and the hope is we'll get it out on Sunday running for the first time. So there will be a video coming on that, so keep your eye out. But I'm just waiting for Emily to come down now. I've got the seat off. She's done a fair bit of cleaning under the seat because this was really grufty.
Stop what you're doing.
Where you been?
I got a thing.
Hang on.
What are you smirking at?
What have you been buying?
I haven't bought it.
Oh.
I was chosen.
Chosen for what?
I was chosen for comfort. And
Well, KEIS do jackets.
No. They do heated seats.
Heated seat?
Heated seats.
For
Your bum.
your motorbike?
Yes.
Okay.
What else would they do a heated seat for?
I don't know.
Why don't they make it for your sofa, are they?
That'd be good, wouldn't it? Could use it on the sofa. Okay.
Yes. They've chosen me. Yeah.
For your bike?
Apparently it fits lots of bikes, but I am going to put it on my bike.
What about my bike? You got one just for yourself?
I was chosen.
It's okay. So we have to fit that now then?
No, they sent me one too.
Oh,
We got one each, but mine's going on first.
oh okay. Well, I just told people you've been messing about while I did all this cleaning.
No one's ever going to believe that you did any cleaning. It comes, look at the nice bag. Yeah, so then you get some instructions, which if it's anything like us and when we get like IKEA instructions, you're just not going to look at them. You get a bag of fuses, them are for you.
Okay, I'll figure that out.
We get some cables.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did I just do with that? I had a thing in my hand there. I get a pump.
I'm curious to find out what you need a pump for.
Well, see, I've already had a nose because...
So what you were doing?
Oh, it comes apart. So you...
Is it supposed to come apart?
Well, it's not stuck in there, so I'm going to say
Okay.
yes. But these fill up with air. So you need a pump to fill it up with air because it's not just a heated seat. You can use it without the heat on and just be comfy. So you know when you're doing like a long trip, like you know when like you go far away.
Yeah.
You can go
Long
far,
trip far
away
away.
and be comfy.
Okay.
So yeah.
So we need to get that installed.
Yes.
So who's installing it?
Immediately. What do you mean who's installing it? It's never going to be me, is it? It's why
We're supposed to be doing maintenance.
It's why I keep it. Maintenance is boring. New shiny toys are
Is
exciting,
Okay.
and maintenance is boring.
Look, it's you and me.
What, a positive and a negative? Oh, that's a really bad joke.
A joke that was, wasn't it? And you laughed. Come see them.
Come and see.
Do you even know where your battery lives?
On the bike.
Don't do that.
Don't do what?
Like pull that forward when your fingers are in there, because it slice your fingers off. Right, off with him. We won't talk about the extra wires on your bike.
Well, this bike's going to have some maintenance over the winter time, so we can tidy up things under here.
Viewers will see I strategically moved my hand out of the way then.
Oh, is that it is as easy as that. So you know, oh, I see. So my battery already has red and
black
on it.
and it has a plus here.
Ah, so you
and a plus here.
You can't get it wrong, really.
Certainly not on your bike, but it is worth checking that the terminals are clearly labelled.
Oh, okay.
You also could put this onto the frame, this connector.
What, the negative one?
Yeah, so like...
So is it like ground, like earth?
Yeah, the thing I'm thinking about is like on the Harley, for example. The battery goes in sideways.
Okay.
And you can't really get to the negative terminal. So on that, it would probably make more sense to do that.
And that's safe to do?
Yes.
This is easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, anything that comes with wires, I always think, oh...
Now we don't really have... Oh,
I see.
before we connect that in. It's got a 5 amp in. So we'll have a look at what the fuse needs to be. That lot can sit there, I guess. Mm-hmm. We just need a means of holding that. I think I've got...
Cable tie time.
Might have a better option.
Oh, have you got them Velcro ones?
Yeah, I think so.
Whose bike did we buy them for and use them on? Was it Bubba?
No, it was Alex's. The one that we haven't finished. That was a nice callback though, Em.
Where did you get these from?
Amazon. They even put the link below.
Oh.
Check that out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I want your fuse holder kind of on show. So we get the fuse in there. Are there instructions here for the fuse? Or is it on the website?
I already looked. 2A, 15 watt, 1.4A.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Looks
there.
neat.
As it can be, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Tuck him in there.
And that other bit then goes to...
Somewhere on the seat.
Yeah, it must do. And that's good that it comes with that. So it's like, if you take the seat off, you
Yeah.
can just cap the end of that.
Yeah. So where's your seat?
Do you not put the side panel on first, or does that go on last?
We can, but what I'd like to do is try your seat and just make sure we've got enough cable.
Oh, yeah, that's
Sticking
clever.
out. Although your seat needs
This is
cleaning.
why we have you here for thinking about. So hang on, you want just this bit, don't you? We can put I'll blow the other bit up in a minute. You want this bit, because it comes with...
Oh, that got the heater in it, has it?
Yeah, that's got the heater in. So that needs to hang over the side, because that's your on-off button.
Right.
And these go round and under the seat, and they're adjustable. So I think that's how it fits quite
Okay.
a lot of seats.
So I'm just going to go. There's the horse again. Yeah, she fits your seat quite well. That's neat.
Because my bike's amazing.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of cable there. That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
going to live there. And then, what are we saying? This under here.
I would click it in and then just pull it tight.
They're on the inside, looking at that.
Oh,
See what I mean?
yeah.
But
Oh, that's good though, because I suppose it will, if it's all tucked under and in, it's going to
yeah.
stop it coming apart. You look like you're fighting with that.
No, it's just really grippy.
Oh, that's good.
I don't think
Oh
it's-
yeah, it looks thicker. Like that bit's elastic and then that bit's thicker. Oh, that's good. Yeah, because you don't want it to move as you're going, do you?
No. On the seat there.
Oh, that looks fancy.
Heated seat for a motorbike. What will they think of next?
But I suppose it'll be good. My initial hope...
It is one of your favourite features in a car.
Oh, it is.
Because my car has it and yours doesn't.
Yeah, I do like heated seats.
Okay.
But yeah, my initial, like, I feel quite impressed with this. Like, it feels comfy. Like, the material feels nice. And it's, like, holey, so it's breathable, isn't it? That's good fabric.
That's tucked under there, I'd say.
I like the idea that you can use it just for being comfy if you're going long distances, because the amount of journeys we've done where you start to ache.
Yep. That's your seat on.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Looks about right, doesn't it?
Yeah. You grab your heaty pad.
Well, yes, but I need to pump it up first. So the idea is, from what I read, is that you pump it up, close the valve, and then when you put it in the bike and you sit on the seat, the idea is that you then release some of the air out of it until you can feel your bike seat underneath and through, so that you're not
Oh,
feeling...
so it molds to you?
Yeah,
Right,
so
okay.
it almost moulds between you and your seat for your own sort of comfort. And I suppose it's pumped full, isn't it? So I need to sit on it and let some air out.
Yeah.
Yeah? Like that?
Yeah, on them.
That look about right to you? Always in Miss Gruff's. Ooh. Oh, I've got cramp in my right foot then. Oh yeah, it does feel a bit strange. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me zip it up. Oh, I see. You always have to check your appliances plugged in. Things don't work.
Your light just flashed.
My light flashed. I didn't see that.
So, first of all, is it comfy?
Seems it. Yeah. It's different, but yeah.
Yeah.
But I suppose anything just feels different from the norm, doesn't it? Don't knock yourself over him.
You open this door. Okay.
Ooh,
How did you switch that on?
press it hold.
Okay.
And then I've read in the instructions, if you press it again, you get your different heating.
It's red hot, is it?
It's supposed to be red hot. That's
Red
the
hot.
hottest one. Red hot, red hot. Have to wait and see. I wonder how long it takes to... Oh! Doesn't take long to warm up.
Toasty.
Can't feel that. Ooh. So the heated bit must be on the top of the
Cushion.
stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, well, in the fabric.
Yeah.
That's really warm.
Is it?
Yeah.
You get off that seat.
But it's still warm. I feel like it's doubling as hand warmers. Like
Is that what
when
you
you're
do when
done.
we pull up?
Yeah. I put my hands under my
Under
legs and warm my hands up. It's
Okay.
multi-purposes.
Well, it looks quite chilly tomorrow.
Yes.
So shall we go out on both bikes?
Yeah.
See what we see.
Fit the one to yours and
Yeah.
we'll go out and see how we get on and see if it is comfy and what it feels like.
Should we find a nice pub?
Oh, I do like a nice pub.
I've got an idea actually.
Oh, yeah.
You have to wait till tomorrow.
Oh, go on then.
Thank you for joining us. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And we will definitely see you in the next one when Emily will
Tell you what I think.
try this knot in a warm workshop.